Hey, what's happening, guys? So I ordered some electronic goodies from TEMU. I'm sure you guys have heard of TEMU. It is an app, a shopping app. So the two things I ordered is this FM radio DIY bass enhancement RDA 5807S FM radio receiver, which was $15.98, and 1,200 pieces electronic components kit assortment, diode, triode, metal film, resistance, aluminum. Now this shows it in a box, but when you order it, you can order it in a box or a bag. I don't really need any more boxes, so I ordered it in a bag for $12.49. So let's take a look and see what we got. This is the FM radio kit. Acrylic laser cut case. There's the actual kit. See what we got in here, right? I ordered this because it is mostly through hole. Or am I really wrong? No, it's mostly through hole. There's a couple of surface mount components. Nice purple board. Speaker. STC microcontroller. Can't quite read what that is, but probably an op amp, or maybe a what, LM386. Display components. Cool. Battery compartment, USB charger, antenna, and instructions. Let's see what we got for our instructions. You can QR code that there if you want to download it. Huh. 74HC595 is a serial to parallel. I didn't see that in there. What are these? Yeah, there's the STC microcontroller. Oh, it's a TDA 2822. That's what I was looking for. I knew it had to be one of those little packages. Yeah, this looks like a cool kit. Worth $15? I don't know. I'm sure you could probably get the same thing cheaper if you looked on AliExpress. I will say the shipping was great. This came in about 10 days. So, draw your own conclusions, but we will build this kit at some point in the future. And now, the electronic goodie bag. Let's see what we got. We got a bunch of 3mm LEDs. Looks like there's probably about 20 of each one in there. And I see yellow, red, blue, green, and clear. So that's what 5 times 20 is 100. And then that's probably duplicated here in the 5mm LEDs, which is great because you can never have too many LEDs. A bag of capacitors. Alright, these look like these are probably the largest. 470 microfarad, 16 volt, 33 microfarad, 16 volt, 220 microfarad. Can't really read the voltage on that one. So we got 470s, 220s, 33s, 100 microfarad, 16 volt. Yeah, I mean, we've got a whole selection here. All very nice. And then I also saw ceramic capacitors. I rarely use this type of ceramic capacitors. I generally use the multi-layer ceramic capacitors. And the only reason for that is they come in those nice plastic cases and little drawers, so I don't have to go like this and try and figure out what each one is. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, wow, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30 bags. Each bag probably has 10. You can do the math yourself, but that's a lot. Now we have diodes. Yeah, by the way, this is worth the money. Worth the $13 easily. Absolutely no label, and I could never read that in a million years. Let's go to the app. Great idea. Let's see what it lists here. Description. Diodes, triodes, metal film resistors, aluminum electrolytic capacitors, ceramic chip capacitors. Yeah, it doesn't tell you. We can put it on a tester, but yeah. What I'm hoping is those are germanium. Ooh, did I almost read it? No. These look like some shotkeys. Then we got a whole bunch of nice wow. Those are the same. Okay, so we got some nice big chunky rectifier diodes there too. And finally, the pièce de résistance. Blue resistors. 10, 47, 100, 150, 200, 220, 330. I mean, you can look through here. 510, 2K2, all the way up to 1 meg. I would have liked to seen it go on to 10 megs, but that's all right. So that's a lot. That's a good deal for 13 bucks. Hello, Paul from later on here, cleaning up the table and realized I forgot to show you. It also comes with a couple 100 transistors. Didn't want to leave that out. The radio, I think, maybe a little overpriced. Like maybe this is a $10 kit, not a $15 kit, but still not bad. TEMU. Who would have known? Alright, that's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll put a link to TEMU down below. That's it. I'm out. Peace.